I'm going to show you how to view, edit, or data in Salesforce using Salesforce Inspector. So to get started, all you have to do is just open first Salesforce website, and then from there sign in to your account. Make sure that you have the Salesforce Inspector plugin or your extension in your browser. To do that, you can just have to go to any extensions and then search in Salesforce Inspector. And once installed, it will just pop up right on the right corner or right pane of your window, and then click on Salesforce Inspector. As you can see here, you can edit, view, or any data in your Salesforce using the Salesforce Inspector extension. You can data export, data import, or limits, or anything that you want. That you have this feature right here. So you can explore APIs, set up home, whatever that you like. So if you have the Salesforce Inspector, you can view and edit data very easily. So you can do it using the extensions itself, not by doing manually on the Salesforce itself. So that's pretty much it. That's how to edit, view, or any data with Salesforce Inspector in Salesforce.